You know what? In my teens growing up, I never had a teacher show me how to play recent tracks in the charts. Music my mates actually listened to. It just always baffled me as to why. I mean, isn't that why you want to learn piano? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to play Head and Heart by Corry. I'm also offering a bonus at the end of the videos valued at £150. So for those of you that love playing the piano, keep watching till the end and you'll find the bonus. Before we jump in, I'm going to give you an idea of what to expect. Firstly, it's broken into 2 separate videos, both 8 minutes long. I kind of wish my piano teacher had only taught me for 8 minutes. Sometimes it feels like I was permanently scarred from the excessive boredom of just sitting there playing scales over and over again. It was just such a drain. There is no way on this planet I'm going to put you through that. So part 1 has intro, verse 1, pre-chorus and chorus, and part 2 has my favourite sections in it, verse 2, bridge and the outro. If you're a total newbie to playing piano, you will definitely be able to play some of this. So each section is broken down into the performance video, the overhead camera at full speed, then at half speed, then left hand and right hand separately that are zoomed right in. Okay, this probably looks more complicated than it actually is. I've called it an octave jump. Both hands move up 1 octave at the same time and simply play the same notes. F and C in the left hand, F and A flat in the right. Just spend a bit more focused time going between these 2 points. Right, that's the end of this video. Click the link in the description for part 2. Part 2 has the bridge section, which I think sounds epic. Watch the left hand of the bridge. If you repeat this slowly, I promise you, you will be playing the same. If you did get something out of this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and actually, if you know someone else that's learning piano that might benefit from this video, share it with them and I can help them too.